Today at the quarry, Thomas, James, and Diesel 10 are helping Sir Topham Hatt clean up before his important guests arrive.
Hey, Thomas. We've been working all day, but it feels good to get some exercise, and I'm happy to help. Yeah, when I woke up in my shed this morning, I kind of just thought that I would be playing today, but I'm happy to help too. I'm just kind of happy to help.
The trains were all working hard until Diesel 10 had an accident.
Oh no. This bale of hay. It's stuck on top of me. It's stuck on top of Pinchy. I can't get out. Help! I'm coming, Diesel! I'm coming too!
Thomas and James helped Diesel 10 get the hay bale off of him and Pinchy. They cleaned up the mess, and they got Diesel 10 all set and ready to get back to work.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, it's no problem, Diesel 10. We're happy to help. Yeah, that's right, Diesel 10. We're happy to help. I'm happy to be friends with those guys. Those guys are nice guys. Would you look at that? They even cleaned up my mess. Oh man, that's really nice. That's really nice. That gives me an idea. I wonder if they'll help again. Guys, I need your help. I need your help again. Thomas, will you help me? Well, sure, Diesel 10. I'm happy to help. Let me just get my cart back here, and I'll get that out of the way. There we go, and get that out of the way. Thanks, Thomas. Oh, man. I can't believe that worked. I'm going to try it again. Hey, James! Buddy, will you help? Oh, yeah, sure, Diesel 10. I can give you a hand again. I just gotta... All right, well, we'll get that out of the way, and then we'll get that out of the way. There we go. Oh, man. I can't believe that worked again. I'm not even gonna say thank you this time.
James and Thomas could overhear Diesel 10 laughing, and they were catching on to what was happening.
Thomas, I think that Diesel 10 is tricking us. Yeah, James. Yeah, it almost seems like he's just trying to get us to do all his work. Yeah, Thomas. And that doesn't seem very fair. Not to us. Maybe we should just not help him anymore. No, we can't. Hey guys, I'm just hanging out over here. If you guys want to talk to me and hang out and stuff.
Diesel 10 was starting to feel lonely, so he just went back to work.
Well, guess I'll just go back to work. Grab one of these things and get them all, I guess. Oh man! Oh jeez! Oh man! Guys, I need your help. I need your help, guys. Hey guys! Guys! Hey guys! Help! Guys, I need your help. Guys. Jeez, James. Guys. Sounds like he's doing it again. Hey, guys. Yeah, Thomas. He must be faking it again. Ugh, that Diesel 10. Ugh, that Diesel 10. Say, I think we've done enough work. I'm pretty sure it's pretty clean around here, by the looks of things.
Guys?
And I'm sure Sir Topham Hat will want us to get a good night's rest. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea, James. I'm so tired. Me too, Thomas. Let's go back to the sheds. Yeah.
Thomas and James went back to the sheds and had a good night's sleep. Diesel 10, on the other hand,
Guys, no, really though, like this time I'm really stuck. I'm not kidding this time, guys. Guys, I'm really stuck this time, guys. Don't leave me out here.
when Sir Topham Hatt arrived, Diesel 10 was embarrassed because he was just lying there underneath a big block of ice cream.
Well, Sir Topham Hat, I guess what I learned was I shouldn't have asked for help when I didn't need it. Because when I did need it, nobody would believe me.
Sir Topham Hatt laughed and turned around to greet his important guests. Diesel 10, on the other hand, had to spend the night outside under a block of ice cream.
Man, this sucks. I hope a squirrel doesn't want to sleep on my face, because if it does, there's nothing I can do about it.